See, either it can be state the formula for rate of flow of heat, or it can be just quantity of flow of heat. If it is quantity of rate of flow of heat, then Q, rate, then Q upon T. State the formula for rate of flow of heat. Suppose this is one cube, one cube, having length of each side as L, and these are two opposite faces maintained at temperature T1 and T2. A is the area of phase. So if heat is flowing from higher end to lower end, we are interested in what is that quantity of heat flowing. So consider a cube of length of each side as L. Let A be the area of cross section of each face. Let A be the area of cross section of each face. Okay, please write this much. Draw the diagram and then write.
Done, sir.
Consider cube of length of each side as L, A be the area of cross section of each face. Let T1, T2 be the temperatures maintained at opposite face. T1 is greater than T2. It is found that rate of flow of heat Q by T is first directly proportional to the area of cross section denoted by A. And you also know, if suppose I take window of larger area, then more heat will flow inside during sunrise. Smaller area, less heat will flow. So direction, it is directly proportional to area of cross section. Directly proportional to the temperature difference, that is T1 minus T2. Third, inversely proportional to the length, that is 1 by L. So we can say Q by T is proportional to area temperature difference upon length. Just copy till this. Inversely proportional to length. So this part is mostly important for numerical.
Done, sir.
Till that Q by T proportional A upon L T1 minus T2. Till that done?
Yes.
Everybody has done. Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you remove proportional sign, you write some constant.
Yes, sir.
So this is Ka T1 minus T2 upon L, where K is a constant called as coefficient of thermal conductivity or thermal conductance. Its value depends upon nature of material. Now complete this. So we got one formula for rate of flow of heat. Q by T is Ka T1 minus T2 upon L.
Done, sir.
So what is formula for rate of flow of heat? Ka T1 minus T2 upon L. K what is formula for rate of flow of heat? Q by T equal to Ka T1 minus T2 by L.
Yes, sir.
Keep yourself muted. आपका थोड़ा आवाज है. Now next part, which is again important for 11th standard college exam. Q by T wala is important for entrance. Define coefficient of thermal conductivity. Define coefficient of thermal conductivity. State its SI unit and obtain its dimension. For 11th standard college exam, fixed question to be asked. Define coefficient of thermal conductivity, state its SI unit and write its dimension or obtain its dimension. Since Q by T is Ka T1 minus T2 upon L. Now if A equals to 1 meter square, L equal to 1 meter, T1 minus T2 equal to 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, then can I say K becomes Q by T? Can I say like this or not first?
Yes, sir.
Because 1 into 1 is 1, upon 1 is 1, K equal to Q by T. From this, I will frame the definition. K means what? Coefficient of thermal conductivity. Equal to means is defined as rate of flow of heat through a metal cube having unit area of cross section, comma unit length maintained at temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Amount of rate, it is defined as rate of flow of heat through unit area, unit length, and maintained at temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Okay, followed?
Yes, sir. Followed.
Yes, please copy till this, then I'm giving the statements.
Done, sir.
Now see, the coefficient of thermal conductivity is defined as rate of flow of heat. Rate of flow of heat defined as rate of flow of heat through a metal slab having unit area of cross section, comma, unit length maintained at temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, right? The coefficient of thermal conductivity is defined as rate of flow of heat through a metal slab having unit area of cross section, comma, unit length maintained at temperature difference of 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Once you complete tell, then I will explain how what is its unit.
Done, sir.
Done. See, Q by T is Ka into temperature difference upon length. Q means heat, heat is energy, so joule. Time is second. K unit I want. Area is meter square. This is Kelvin. Upon length is meter. So meter will get cancelled. So joule upon second. Meter Kelvin. Okay. What is joule
Yes, sir.
per second? Watts? Joule per second is called what?
What? Yes, sir.
So joule per second meter Kelvin. That is watts per meter Kelvin or watts meter degree Celsius. Right. Its SI unit is joule per second meter Kelvin or watt per meter Kelvin, which we can also write as watt per meter degree Celsius.
Done, sir.
Now we are interested in its dimension. Its dimension is joule means M1 L2 T minus 2
Yes, sir.
per second means T1 joules per second, meter means L1, Kelvin is K1. This much clear?
Yes, sir.
So can I say this is nothing but M1 L minus 1 T minus 3 K minus 1. Okay. M1 L minus L1 M1 L1 T minus 3 K minus 1. M1 L1 T minus 3 K minus 1. Done? Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Thermal resistance. Thermal resistance. Can you tell by Ohm's law what is resistance? By Ohm's law? Hello? By Ohm's law, can you tell what is resistance? By Ohm's law, you all don't know what is resistance. Hello? Hello? Siddharth, what is by Ohm's law resistance?
Sir, is it E divided by I?
So how much time you are thinking on this to say? It is not you are trying for now only college exam. Your main target is focused for entrance exam. So don't keep silent. Or you can say I don't know. That is also possible for me. But keeping silent, how do I know? Nija, what is Ohm's law say resistance formula?
So V by I.
V by I. Vaishnavi, what is formula for Ohm's law say R?
Sorry, sir.
Forget. Swam, what is formula for R?
Sir, V by I.
Rajvardhan, what is formula for R?
Sir, V by
Swaraj, what is formula for resistance R?
V by I.
Mohit, what is formula for resistance R?
V by I.
Ratan, what is formula for resistance R?
Sir, V by I.
What does this shows that everybody knows na formula? So please
Yes.
don't keep silent. Even if it is wrong, follow, chalega. Entrance to tabhi prepare hoga na.
Yes, sir.
See, we are keeping maximum test of what MCQ, so that you become confident in that. That is only possible if you are giving the answer, you are asking question, clearing your doubts. Resistance R is V upon I know by Ohm's law. I am interested in what is thermal resistance, not electrical. So since Q by T is K A T1 minus T2 upon L. Q means what? Heat, na?
Yes.
T is time. K is coefficient of thermal conductivity. A is area. T1 minus T2. What is T1 minus T2? Temperature
The
difference.
temperature difference.
And L?
L is the length.
L is the length, correct. Now temperature difference can be compared as potential difference. If there is temperature difference, heat flows. If there is potential difference, then current flows. So comparing with I equals to V by R. This is by Ohm's law, I is V by R. So for me, I is like rate of flow of charge, matlab rate of flow of heat ke jaisa, potential difference, temperature difference ke jaisa. So 1 by R is like Ka by L or not? Hello? This is 1
Yes.
by r. If you compare, तो ये पूरा हो गया ना 1 by r इतना. This is like I. This is like V. And ये Ka by L is 1 by r. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So can I say R is L by Ka?
Yes, sir.
That is thermal resistance RT. I am writing resistance due to heat, thermal resistance is L upon Ka. What will be its SI unit? Its SI unit, L is in meter, K is joules per second, meter Kelvin, area is meter square. So 1 meter cancel with this gets cancelled. So can I say it is second coulomb, Kelvin upon joule, or second degree Celsius upon joule? Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Please copy this, then we'll see its dimension. Thermal resistance is L upon Ka. SI unit is second Kelvin upon joule or second degree Celsius upon joule. This is very important term in measurement chapter. It will be mostly coming in the exam. Again, if you complete, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Now, its dimension is, we got second Kelvin upon joule, na? Second means K1, Kelvin means K1, joule means what? M1 L2 T minus 2. So therefore it will become M minus 1 L minus 2 T3 K1. Any doubt in dimension?
No, sir.
Please copy, very important. Please write down. See, nothing is difficult. Again, I'm telling, but so lengthy that we forget what the term chapter when we go ahead. So constantly revision is required. For that we have to invest time. So from your side, every day minimum 1.5 hours you have to study physics. Other subject you can do in last moment. Physics cannot be done in last moment because it is like maths. Sunday's test you all are knowing now which topic? Sunday test on which topic are you knowing?
Can you repeat the topic, please?
Anybody is knowing Sunday's test topic?
Sir, this chapter.
This chapter and what else? Only this chapter? Hello? So it is elasticity plus thermal expansion. MCQ. That means thermal property. 2 chapters, elasticity plus thermal expansion. Mohit,
Sir.
how many hours you study at home?
Sir, physics.
Yeah, physics.
Sir, 1 hour.
Make it 1.5 hours and please do regularly, because from your paper writing style I can tell that you are not doing with full heartedly. Don't give stepmotherly treatment to physics. मन लगा के काम करो, एकदम एंड में फिजिक्स में ही ज्यादा मार्क मिलेगा.
Okay, sir.
Because from paper I can make out you are not doing with full heartedly. Aya paper you have to give for that sake of your giving, even though you get good mark. So see to it that it is neat, clean, with full heartedly you are writing the paper. Then see automatically changes you can make out in that mark.
Okay, sir.
Shall I clear this now?
Yes.
Okay. Now two notes. Note. See, when two resistance are connected in series, what is resistance given? R1 plus R2 or not? When two resistance in series. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So same way, if I've got two rods, metal rods, one of length L1, other of length L2, area A joined together, having thermal conductivity K1, K2, they are joined together. This is length L1, length L2, area A. So this is series combination or not?
Yes.
So for series combination, we know R in series is R1 plus R2 from current. In our case, R is length upon Ka or not, just now we did. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this will be L1 upon K1 A1 plus L2 upon K2 A2. This K is K in series, area is same, but length will be effective length. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Total length is L1 plus L2 or not? Total length after combination L1 plus L2.
Yes.
So throughout this area is same. I can cancel because area is same throughout.
Yes, sir.
So we get L1 plus L2 upon K in series is K2 L1 plus K1 L2 upon K1 K2. That means K in series is product upon L1 plus L2 into, that is K2 L1 plus K1 L2. Write this formula. K in series of thermal conductivity will be product upon K2 L1 plus K1 L2 into L into L1 plus L2. एक मिनट, लास्ट वाला पॉइंट थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया. So Ks is L1 plus L2 into product upon K2 L1 plus K1 L2.
Done, sir.
Okay. अब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये फॉर्मूला. Now suppose L1 is same as L2 is same as L. Then it will become K in series is 2 times L into K1 K2 upon K2L plus K1L, that will be 2L into K1 K2 upon L common K1 plus K2. That means it is 2 times product upon sum. So when length is same, 2 times product upon sum. Please copy further this much. So this is not given in textbook, but still it is very important for MCQ.
Done, sir.
Okay. Exactly same, we'll see what will happen if they are connected in parallel. Second, these are two metal rods K1, K2, length is L1, L2, area of cross section same. So that means it will become like this in parallel. K1, K2, area will become 2A, length is L1, L2. So R in parallel will be 1 upon R parallel is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 as per current. So this will become L upon Ka. Because it is in parallel, see length is same. So L1 is same as L2, I am writing L. Upon area is 2A in effective is equals to 1 upon L upon K1A plus 1 upon L by K2A. L by A, L by A, L by A throughout cancel. So it becomes 2K equals to K1 plus K2. Therefore, K is K1, K in parallel will become K1 plus K2 upon 2. So in series, we got 2 times product upon sum if length is same. In parallel, we are getting sum upon 2. So if you see, it is ulta of resistance in series parallel. In series, resistance was R1 plus R2. Here in parallel, we got K1 plus K2, एक extra factor 2 आया. Same way, resistance in parallel, product upon sum. Here in series, we got twice of product upon sum. Please copy second point.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Na? Okay. Now open PDF. Open PDF. You can see them. We have done till I think 9th in last class. Now I'm first doing 14th, 15th and 16th. 14, 15, 16 which I did in the first batch. Then I will go to the remaining sum. 14th. Thermal conductivity of material is 0.4. So thermal conductivity means K. In steady state, rate of flow of heat means Q by T is 10 calorie per second meter square. So it is actually Q by 80. Q means heat ka calorie, T means ये second, meter square is for area. Find thermal gradient. It is temperature difference upon distance is called temperature gradient. Q by T is Ka T1 minus T2 upon L. So Q by AT equals to K T1 minus T2 by L. Q by AT is 10. K is 0.4. T1 minus T2 by L. So T1 minus T2 upon L is 10 upon 0.4, which is 100 upon 4 equals to 25. Option C. Followed full properly?
Yes, sir.
Please solve.
Done, sir.
Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. 15th. Two bars of thermal conductivity K and 3K. Two bars of thermal conductivity K and 3K. Having length of 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively, have equal cross section area. Okay. They are joined lengthwise as shown in figure. If the temperature at this composite bar are 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius respectively, find the temperature at the interface. Interface means this boundary. Heat will flow from where to where?
So from 100 degrees C to 0 degrees C.
What you said once again say?
So from the 2 centimeter rod to the 1 centimeter rod.
Never say like that. You say high temperature to low temperature. What you will say now? High
High
temperature,
temperature to low temperature.
heat will flow like this. See ये same rod है तो throughout heat flow का rate same रहने वाला है ना? See suppose I have my I put my hand in the boiling water. तो ऐसा होगा क्या फिंगर को ज्यादा मिलेगा, पाम को कम मिलेगा, फिर आर्म्स को ज्यादा हीट मिलेगा, ऐसा होगा कि थ्रू सेम हीट लगेगा?
Throughout same heat.
Throughout same heat. So we can say under steady state the flow will remain same. That means Q1 upon time T is Q2 upon time T. Rate of flow of heat is same. So in first part, this is first part, this is second part. It is flowing from higher to lower. So for me, this is T1, this is like T, this is like T2. So can I say K means 3K here? Correct?
Yes.
K is 3K into area upon length is 2 into temperature difference T1 minus 5 will be equals to K is K, area is A, temperature difference larger phi minus smaller 0 upon length is 1. So Ka I can cancel. So we get 3 times T1 minus 3 times phi is 2 times phi. So 3 times T1 equals to 5 phi. Therefore 3 into 100 upon 5 equal 5 equal to 5. Phi equal to 60 degrees Celsius is the temperature at interface. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
College has given any exam timetable so far?
No,
No,
sir.
No,
sir. They in the college meeting,
Hmm.
they were telling that there would be probably one unit test and one semester.
Correct. I think unit test they will keep in March and semester they may keep in May.
Yes, sir. Like that. The semester they were saying that it will be in May only,
But your
and then
regular college will start 12th wala in proper time from June only.
yes, yeah, they will say they were telling that the 12th college will start in the June only,
Ah,
but the 11th will end in May.
yes. So 11th is bit absurd, but 12th will run smoothly in the
Smoothly,
college.
yes, yes,
So your next year exam will be at in the month of Feb only.
yes,
See, those who have joined tuitions or classes, for them too it is not a problem because you have been studying throughout. But those who have not joined any class, for them it is actually difficult.
yes, sir.
And we have done ample of MCQs.
Yes, sir. Done.
done, sir.
Done, sir.
Sum number 16. The dimensional formula of coefficient of thermal conductivity K. Already I had explained. If you don't remember, think of its unit. What was unit? Joule per second meter Kelvin, correct? Joule means M1, L2, T minus 2. Second is T1, meter is L1, Kelvin is K1. So it will be M1, L minus 1, L plus 1, T3, K minus 1. M1, L1, T3, K minus 1. Is it option A?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Sir, won't be T minus 3.
T2. Oh, so I'm really very
Yes,
sorry. T
yes,
minus
sir.
3. T minus 3. T minus 3. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Great, great. C option. C. C. T minus 3. Okay, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
This much I did in that batch today. So I'm keeping at same level at par. Just test ka remember it is uh, thermal mechanical properties of solid, that is elasticity and thermal properties. So thermal property pe will be 25 MCQ and in elasticity there will be 20. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, about that timing, could you do it